In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to earn with ChatGPT. But before that, let's first understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool. It's basically a chatbot that was released on 30th November 2022, and since then it has been trending and everyone tries to benefit from it. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including text generation and translation. Now let's see how you can use it and earn with it. So the first way to earn from it is content creation. If you have your own website, you can use ChatGPT to generate unique and engaging content for your blog, website, or social media platforms. And if you don't have any website, then you can become a freelancer and can provide services like article writer or blog prose writer. You can also become a copywriter and use ChatGPT to generate product descriptions or marketing materials for businesses. So it is one of the best methods to earn using ChatGPT. The second way to earn using ChatGPT is translation. You can use ChatGPT to translate written text in one language to another. You can use it for businesses to translate their website or documents for different languages. You can also use freelance platforms to provide translation services. As an example, in the case of Fiverr, everyone starts their translation service from $10 and also have successfully completed 100 plus projects. So you can also do the same. Here is one tip for you if you want to get ranked on Fiverr and want projects as fast as possible. Then choose a language for which others are not providing translation services. You can choose any language like Japanese or Italian. It will increase your chances to get projects and rank on Fiverr as you will be providing something unique than others. So for that, do some research of your own and then start your work. Now the third method is text summarization. You can use ChatGPT to summarize long text into a shorter version. This can be helpful for businesses to get insights from long reports or articles. It will also help you in tutoring or making assignments for others, as most of the experts do, and charge a fee for it. The fourth method is research assistant. You can also use ChatGPT to assist with research projects by generating relevant information and data on a given topic. Though these AI tools sometimes provide outdated information, so must check it before finalizing the draft and proofread it. But it will provide you a way and some interesting information that will help you a lot and will make your work easy. The fifth method is tutoring. You can use ChatGPT for tutoring by generating exercises, quizzes, and providing feedback on the students' language skills. Generating exercises and quizzes are already in demand. Again, in the case of Fiverr, there are people who provide quiz services at an initial rate of $10, $15, and even $25. So this again can be the best method to earn from ChatGPT. So these are some of the best ways to earn from this amazing AI tool. By utilizing ChatGPT's functions, you can offer a variety of services and earn money while doing something you are passionate about. The key is to understand the potential of the model and to find ways to apply it. But also keep in mind that this is an AI tool, so sometimes it can generate outdated information or something that readers would not get interested in. So must check the generated text, edit it and proofread it before finalizing the final text. But overall, I must say that this tool has made many things easier and removed hurdles, so must give it a try. I hope this video has helped you. In the next video, we will generate an article practically using ChatGPT and will see its efficiency. So see you in the next one.